Ever wondered how to stay connected while being off the grid? How to ensure the safety of your loved ones in an emergency when the traditional networks fail? Meet the revolutionary gadget of the 21st century, the satellite communicator. The satellite communicator, a compact and lightweight device, effortlessly fits into your pocket. With its robust construction, it withstands the harshest of environments, from the freezing polar caps to the scorching desert heat. This gadget is your lifeline when you're out exploring the wilderness or when disaster strikes. This device is more than just a two-way text messaging system. The satellite communicator offers you the ability to send an SOS signal to the nearest emergency response center. It provides real-time tracking and shares your GPS coordinates. So whether you're lost in the woods or stuck on a deserted highway, help is just a signal away. But it doesn't stop there. The satellite communicator also integrates with your smartphone, offering a seamless interface with your existing apps. You can update your social media, check your emails, or even catch up on the latest news, all from the middle of nowhere. Connectivity is no longer a luxury, but a necessity, and this gadget ensures you stay connected. Moreover, the satellite communicator is powered by a long-lasting battery. With up to 100 hours of standby time, you'll never have to worry about running out of power, and when it does need a charge, the device supports solar charging, making it a truly versatile companion for all your adventures. To sum it all up, the satellite communicator is a revolutionary gadget that ensures you stay connected no matter where you are. Its robust construction, two-way messaging, SOS signal, real-time tracking, smartphone integration, and long-lasting battery make it an indispensable tool for adventurers and a lifeline in emergencies. In a world where connectivity is king, the satellite communicator stands out as the champion, proving that no matter where you are, you're never truly off the grid. The world is at your fingertips, and with the satellite communicator, you can explore it fearlessly.